This experience is best viewed using a virtual reality headset. During this video, you will experience VR from the perspective of a drone. If at any point you feel uncomfortable or nauseous, please just take off the VR headset.
Good morning and welcome to the Peak District. Today I have brought myself to a place called Winnats Pass. It's a really popular location with photographers. It's very early in the morning, it's about 20 past 4 and it's very light actually. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. So I'm just going to get all my camera gear sorted, make my way up there. It only takes about 5 minutes to get to the top, and then as soon as the light's good enough I will film again and get you connected to the drone. So I'll see you up there. The sun has finally came out. It's a little bit windy than I thought it was going to be, hence why I'm hiding here below the rocks, but it should be safe to fly. So I'll get you connected to the drone and give you an aerial view of this place. Enjoy. Sorted. Right, I think we're going to head over to Ladybower Reservoir now, which is, how far away is it? 14 minutes away, so not far at all. So I'll get over there, hopefully it gets a bit brighter because the light was a bit poor there, but I'm looking forward to getting the footage back anyway. I think it'll be cool looking at it from that angle. So I'll set off now and then hopefully we'll get this, well, hopefully the light will start breaking through the cloud a little bit. All right, let's go. I think I must have knelt in some nettles because my leg is killing me. Here we are, Ladybower. Oh, the water level's a lot lower than I've ever seen it before. Yeah, I've never seen the water level that low before. Right, I'm gonna head over here because there's a photo that I want. Oh, such a lovely place around here. Just as a little comparison for you, every time I've been here, the water has been over this and flowing down into there. Look how shallow it is. It's all the way down there. I've never ever seen it this empty before. It's strange. On a brighter note, the sun's coming out, so I think we best get the drone up. Unfortunately, the drone wasn't really behaving there. I think it didn't have many GPS satellites to connect to. So I think it might be all this that's blocking some GPS. So I'm gonna jump back in the car, pop round the other side of the reservoir. Hopefully we get a little bit better of a connection over there, so it's a bit more safe to fly. I have no idea whether down here is going to be any better, but I think it's worth a try. Oh, this place is so nice. Get a little bit closer down to the water and then we'll give it another go. Fingers crossed. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. I'd say that was a success. I can't wait to get that footage back home and have a look at it. I got the GPS working in the end, so I could fly it a little bit further away. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.